How to sell USDT in Binance as a P2P. Here you can see the P2P. I need to sell this amount and transfer my amount to my bank account. So first of all, you have to go your balance and make sure all balance shown as USDT. As you can see, I have $1.02 as a USDT, so make sure it's shown like that. Then go to P2P. Now press on sell and payment. I have to set as a bank transfer. Select bank transfer. Now as you can see, this is on person and his limit is 10,000 to 21,000 available, 65,000 on lakh. So just see those person total transaction amount. This person is good, so now press on sell. Now buy BTT or buy your currency or your USDT. So I need to sell all amount and I able to receive on 78522 BDT. This is my country currency. And bank transfer, you have to select your bank account. So I'm selecting my bank account. If you don't have, just add like that. Press on plus icon, then you can easily add your bank account here. Now once on all done, now simply go to press on place order. If you want, you can customize your amount as well, like that. And also done, press on plus order. Now my order is creating and it's a receive payment 5 minute 09 second. So I need to wait couple of minutes to respond the buyer. So just waiting for receive the amount. Within a couple of minutes, your payment will be received to your bank account. Now simply go to your account, and as you can see, if you want, you can also chat with your buyer. Now once you receive your payment, that you have to select your receive payment. Now I am selecting a receive payment. I have not received payment from buyer. I have verified that buyer has been received and confirm a release. Now use your passkey. Now your transaction is successfully. Now if you go back, then as you can see, my balance is now 8.3 on dollar. That's it. Thank you. Simple. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thumbs up and subscribe.